Are you looking for an easy way to find Capcut templates to use in your videos? In this video, I'll show you how to find amazing and creative templates to use on the Capcut app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up any web browser you like and go to google.com. And then simply search for Capcut Templates. After that, tap on the very first search result. So now you will be able to see a lot of templates that you can use. You can tap on the search bar over here and search for any specific templates you like, or you can scroll down and see all the latest new Capcut templates. So in order to use these templates, make sure you have already installed the Capcut app on your device. And then just tap on any one of these templates you'd like to use. And then scroll down and tap where it says Use Template on Capcut. Tap Open. So now that the template has been opened in the Capcut app, just tap Use Template at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then select any photos and videos to use in the template. And Capcut will make a video for you using that template. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.